Oh, are you my voice is clear? Any problem in it now? Voice is cracking. Okay, just a minute. Is it voice is coming or still you get some noise in it?
नो सर वॉइस क्लियर है.
Okay, ठीक है. Thank you. So, have you written this equation? Okay. So in this case, you see that the thickness of the plate is about 0.045 meter. T1 is equal to 350 degrees Celsius, T2 is equal to 50 degrees Celsius. And you're asking that heat rate per unit area, that is Q by A. So you know that one of the equation of that heat transfer, Q is equal to minus K dt by dx. So in this case, dt is not given, so it is T1 minus T2 and its x is directly given to you. So Q is called as a flux. I already discussed that. You have to ask in the flux here. So you just enter this 370, that is the value of K, and this is 350. So don't change it. So we just want to get that value. It is in Q, that is in Weber Kelvin per, not Kelvin. It's in degrees Celsius. Please note that, student. Please calculate this answer. Are you getting this answer or not? I think so. There might be some changes. They written the Kelvin per meter, Weber per meter square. So your temperature in degrees Celsius. So please check whether you getting or not this answer and let me know about it. If you are not getting that answer, so please convert this temperature into Kelvin, adding by 273, and just let me know that you getting that answer correct or not. Otherwise, we have to change the unit here. Is degrees Celsius Weber per meter square.
सर वैसे 273 डिग्री यानी वो ऐड करने की जरूरत नहीं है.
He is getting the same value as it see on screen.
यस सर.
I think so. It's put up it is at it, so they can might have. I think so. The K is just right is the last answer you see that on the screen, that is 2466.667 kW per meter square. ये लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. You just write down it. इतना ही लिखो बस. So are you getting the same answer or different answer?
Same answer, sir.
Same answer, sir.
Please reply me, students, so I can proceed for next numerical.
यस सर यू कैन.
Hello, sir.
हाँ
Sir, 10 raised to 3
ऐकतो बोल बाळा.
10 raised to 3 च्या ऐवजी K घेतलाय म्हणजे किलोवॅट ना.
आवाज येत नाही निकिता तुझा माझ्याकडे.
हॅलो
नेटवर्क
सर.
इश्यू. हाँ
येतोय का आता? हॅलो सर.
yes, you can proceed. What do you want to ask me?
सर 10 raised to 3 च्या ऐवजी किलो घेतलाय ना, मीन्स किलोवॅट.
10 raised to 3 क्या?
च्या ऐवजी किलोवॅट घेतलाय ना, किलो.
Okay.
Is that correct?
पूर्ण आवाज आला नाही मला, तुला काय सांगायचंय ते.
सर 10⁻³ च्या ऐवजी के घेतलाय म्हणजे किलो वॅट.
हा, किलो ते ऍक्च्युली वेबर असतो, तो ऍक्च्युली किलो वेबर नाही करू शकत त्याला आपण, तो ऍट इज राहू द्या. जर व्हॅल्यू जी असेल तसं राहू द्या. किलो वेबर नाही करू शकत तुम्ही. वेबर पर मीटर स्क्वेअर इज करेक्ट. वॅट नाही येत तिथे. ओके
ओके सर.
बिकॉज आपको पावर कैलकुलेट करना है यहाँ पे, सो डोंट कंसिडर इट एज इन वैट. ओके, सो आपने नोट डाउन.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, I think so. There is an internet issue on my side, so I'm facing that. Whatever you're telling to me, I can't hear you properly, and my was also getting cracking with you. You can hear it is cracking sound. So let's move. Don't worry about it. Next numerical. Just I want to change the screen. Wait for a minute. ये न्यूमेरिकल सबको विजिबल है 2.16.7.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please write to it. It regards with that is conductivity. We are going to solve the two numericals of conductivity, two of convectivity, and one for radiation, right? So in this numerical, kindly write down in your notebook. Of the oven is 8.25 centimeter, and thermal conductivity of the wall insulation is 0.0 Weber per meter Kelvin. The temperature of the inner surface of the wall is 75 degrees Celsius, is a value of T1. The energy dissipated by the electric coil within the oven is, it is in watt. Can you note some difference between Weber and watt, right? Quantity गलत मत करना, W दोनों में common है. And they are asking you to determine the area of the wall surface needed perpendicular to the heat flow so that temperature on the other side of the wall doesn't. So in that case, X is given is 8.25, so it is converted into meter. Whatever the quantity is given, so make that all quantity same. Thermal conductivity at the wall insulation is 0.044 Weber per meter Kelvin. So in this meter is given, and your power is in watt. So your this thickness also in meter. So convert into 8.25 centimeter into meter, as it is 0.0825 meter. 44 Weber per meter Kelvin, and T1 is 175, whereas Q is equal to 40.5 watt, and T2 is equal to 75 degrees Celsius. So use this equation as you see on the screen. That's Q is equal to K T1 minus. So it is T1 minus T2 upon X. Just put up all these value and calculate the area. Simple सा numerical आपको है. So if you put it at 40.5 is equal to 0.044 is the value of thermal conductivity multiplied by area. Temperature is 175 minus 75 divided by X in meter. So you get that area is equal to 0.7594 meter square. Please note down this numerical and solve. Calculate whether getting same answer or not, and let me know about it.
करेक्ट है सर.
So you are getting the same answer. So numerical is correct. So there is typo mistake in the formula, whereas they can read T2 minus T3. So it's a typing mistake. Correctly as T1 minus T2, higher minus lower. Everybody. Next numerical that is related to the convectivity. बाकी के स्टूडेंट सॉल्व कर रहे हैं ना?
यस सर.
असाइनमेंट पूछ रहा हूँ.
यस सर.
हाँ, सॉल्व करो मुझसे, क्योंकि असाइनमेंट जब मैं सब आपको दूंगा तब उसमें भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स होंगे, आपको भी सॉल्व करने पड़ेंगे तभी.
ओके सर.
Correct is sir.
Okay, very good. So you're getting the same answer. So there is no one mistake only this happen in this numerical when typing is T2 minus T3. ठीक है, सभी का हो गया. तो हम नेक्स्ट numerical की तरफ मुड़े क्या अभी?
यस सर.
बाकी के बच्चों बोलो जरा, नहीं तो मैसेज दो लो कि नहीं सर
Yes,
कैन मूव टू नेक्स्ट, सो आई कैन आल्सो इट फॉर नेक्स्ट
Yes, sir.
numericals. I change the
Yes,
screen
sir.
with you.
Wait a minute, sir.
Okay, ठीक है. Once you complete, let me know.
हो गया सर.
Okay, just wait for a second. Just I will. So is it visible? 2.16.8, right? It's a numeric
Yes,
based
sir.
on the convectivity. So a hot plate is there of area 1.5 meters square, is maintained at 300 degrees Celsius per plate. If the convective heat transfer coefficient H is 20 Weber per meter square Kelvin, calculate the rate of convective heat transfer. So it's a very simple. You see, it's a TW, you can say T1. So it's a T infinity, you say as T2. Plate temperature 300 degrees Celsius, area 1.5 meter square. Film temperature or T infinity temperature, as you see on our slide also, 20 degrees Celsius. Convective transfer is 20 Weber per meter square Kelvin. All the values given, just use this formula. Calculate. Are you getting the same answer or this is different answer you're getting after
Same is, sir.
calculation?
Same is sir.
Okay,
Same
very
is, sir.
good. Okay, very good. So it's about that a simple. आपको थोड़ा थोड़ा आइडिया आ गया होगा कि अभी कैसे न्यूमेरिकल्स पूछे जाते हैं. सो कॉम्प्लिकेशन नहीं होगा ज्यादा जितना आपको बुक्स में दिया गया है. सो उन्होंने बोला है सिंपली न्यूमेरिकल स्टूडेंट को पूछा है. सो जैसे इसमें क्या होगा, सिर्फ आपको हीट ट्रांसफर रेट किया होगा और एरिया कैलकुलेट करना होगा. They can provide you some other things and you have to calculate the temperature. One temperature is given, second temperature is not given. Accordingly, they can ask you the numericals. So don't be fear about that कि बहुत complicated numerical वाले हैं. It's a very simple numerical they can ask you in the examination. Just cross multiplication will be there. So it is request to all of you then again write down this
Sir,
numerical you see on
बताइए.
the screen. 2.16.10. In which the hot plate is there, 1 meter by 1.5 meter is maintained at 300 degrees Celsius and air at 25 degrees Celsius blows over a plate. If the surface of heat transfer coefficient is 20 Weber per meter degree Celsius, calculate the rate of the heat transfer. So I think so this numerical with you, same numerical I am giving to you. Just you need to calculate the area in this case. Previous numerical में आपको area same दिया था. इस केस में सिर्फ आपको प्लेट का डायमेंशन दिया है. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्लेट डायमेंशन आपको वहां पे सिर्फ एरिया कैलकुलेट करना है. सो इन दिस केस डायरेक्टली नॉट गिवन एरिया, सो यू नीड टू कैलकुलेट एरिया. सो इट इज सिंपल मल्टीप्लिकेशन 1.5 is equal to 1.5 meter square. Wall temperature, that is T1, you can say TW is equal to 300 degrees Celsius and the film temperature is about 20 degrees Celsius and coefficient of convective heat transfer is 20 Weber per meter degree Celsius. So just you need to put up all these values. At this formula Q is equal to H8 TW minus T infinity. You can say T1 minus T2 whatever it may be accordingly. इसका कुछ मतलब नहीं होता कि आपको अगर एग्जाम में आ रहा है कि TW था कि क्या था, कुछ नहीं. सिंपली T1 minus T2 भी लिख दिया तो भी चलेगा. Just that in what temperature you maintain that is T1 and film temperature is T2. So ऐसे जरूरी नहीं कि आप T infinity तो वहां पे भी यही आना चाहिए. You can put it as T1 minus T2 also. It depend upon your will. ऐसी कोई जरूरी नहीं कि जैसे बुक में देखे वैसे वैसे आपका फार्मूला वहां पे आना चाहिए. सही है. जस्ट दैट डोंट फार्मूला नहीं चेंज करने का. उसमें अगर क्वांटिटीज को दूसरी डिनोट किया तो चलेगा पर फार्मूला नहीं चेंज करने का. मीन टेम्परेचर calculate this answer and let me know what is the answer of this numerical. Put up the all value and calculate the answer and let me know क्या आंसर आ रहा है.
So 8,400.
8,400.
नहीं सर, कम आ रहा.
I think so the same numerical will be repeated here.
सर वहाँ पे 25 डिग्री सेल्सियस है सर, 20 नहीं है. उससे बोले
Yes, it's correct. This is 25 degrees Celsius ना. ये आज भी typo mistake है. So kindly repair it. So मैं इस बोल रहा हूँ कि जो बुक्स है ना मार्केट को परचेस मत करो क्योंकि यही प्रॉब्लम जनरली सब स्टूडेंट फेस करते हैं. जब वो एक्चुअल में प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हो, जब वो एकदम लास्ट टाइम पे जो स्टडी करते हैं ना तो कंफ्यूजन उनसे दिमाग से निकलता नहीं. सो जो यहाँ पे चल रहा है उसी से आप जो भी आप को, क्योंकि एट लास्ट मोमेंट आपको ये सब नहीं मिलेगा क्योंकि आप इतना मुझे पूछ नहीं सकते. तो जितना चल रहा है उतना गेन करने का कोशिश करो, सभी को रिक्वेस्ट है. हाँ, नाउ लेट मी नो व्हाट इज द आंसर.
8,250.
After putting it is at 25 degrees Celsius.
Yes.
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just
Is it
check
correct?
now. 8.25, 8250.
Yes, sir.
यस.
Yes.
Yes, okay. So it's a rate of heat transfer. You can say it also watt. So 50 watt or you can say 8.25 kilowatt. Okay. सही है दोनों.
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
रिमेनिंग स्टूडेंट्स आपको आंसर आ रहा है.
Yes,
प्लीज
sir.
रिप्लाई.
येस सर. सर 8400 येत आहे.
अरे बाबा तिथं टेम्परेचर 25 घे. इथं ते चुकलं आहे. फिल्म टेम्परेचर प्रॉब्लेम स्टेटमेंट मध्ये 25 डिग्री दिली आहे. by using 25. Don't put it as 20. You get is 8250. Then it is nothing but 8.25 kilowatt.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, this is the mistake. If my voice is breaking or suddenly lost, kindly hold. Don't lose the meeting. There is a problem from my side. नेटवर्क इशू है मेरे तरफ से 2 बार मेरा रिकनेक्ट हुआ है. सो अगर सडनली अगर मेरा वॉइस ब्रेक हो रहा है और सडनली मैं मीटिंग से गायब हो गया तो डोंट लूज द मीटिंग, डोंट escape the meeting. Kindly keep it in meeting. I will rejoin the meeting. Noted. So we can proceed to the next numerical. नोट कर लिया सभी ने?
हाँ सर.
हाँ ठीक है, ठीक है. सो लास्ट न्यूमेरिकल है, उसके बाद हम मीटिंग एंड कर देंगे, हमारा लेक्चर खत्म हो जाएगा और सिंपल न्यूमेरिकल मैं आपको दिखाने जा रहा हूँ. स्क्रीन को वेट करो जरा. Last numerical. So please write down the simple numerical: a black body at 100 degrees Celsius. 1000 has surrounding temperature 200 degrees Celsius. Find the heat loss per unit area by the radiation. Simple numerical है, इसे note down करो. So convert into Kelvin. T1 Celsius plus at 273. Kindly note there is typo mistake in the book. So you get it as 73 Kelvin. T2 is equal to 200 plus 273, 473 Kelvin. And for this case, area is not given and epsilon, that is being black body, so the constant, right, emissive power is not given. So if not given, so it's considered as 1 meter square. And not given, that epsilon, that is the emissivity of the body, is not given in the problem, consider as 1, and write down in a bracket is being black body. So you can say that being heat loss per unit area raised Q by A is equal to sigma into T1 minus T1 T1 raised to 4. ये फार्मूला यहाँ पे गलत हुआ है, so kindly note minus T2 raised to 4. So 1 into, you know that 8, and 1373 raised to 4 minus 470 raised to 4. So calculate that, you get it the same answer or some different answer. It is 1.9866 1.9866 into 10 raised to 5 Weber per meter square. यहाँ पे बहुत सारी मिस्टेक है इस प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट में। सो सभी बच्चों ध्यान में रखो, T1 को आपको 1100 प्लस 273 ऐड करना है, 283 नहीं करना है, इट्स 1373 केल्विन। T2 को आपको 200 प्लस 273 470 करना है। एरिया इज नॉट गिवन, सो कंसीडर, वहां पे लिखना है, हैव टू कंसीडर प्रॉब्लम में A is equal to 1 meter square. Emissivity power is not given, that epsilon is not so given, so it's considered as 1, and write down in a bracket it's being back body, so it's considered as 1, and then Q, right? It's equal to epsilon sigma into T1 raised to 4 minus T2 raised to 4. T1 स्क्वायर नहीं है वहां पे, T2 raised to 4, T1 raised to 4 है, so kindly
सर मेरा 1.99 इंटू 10⁵ है।
it's okay, no issue. It's the 1.99 na, so 6 is 1.99 means 1.9 के आगे का जो भी होगा हम उसे राउंड फिगर उसको 9 कंसिडर कर सकते हैं, so 1.99 is the correct answer.
ओके
So what about the remaining students?
Yes, sir. आ रहा है.
Getting the same answer, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. वैष्णवी सही आंसर है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Remaining students, यश
ये सब बस निकाल रहा हूँ।
27217 APB यश, are you getting the answer?
Yes, sir. Same answer. Hello, sir. Same answer है.
अच्छा, okay. So what is the aspect of numerical we have to discuss here, right? So it's a very simple numerical they can ask for examination, and not much calculation or complexity they can add it. Just they change the values. So accordingly, you can calculate the answer by using adding the formula or by using some cross multiplication. So is there any problem in the numericals?
हाँ सर।
No, sir.
सर वो बीइंग अ ब्लैक बॉडी से है वो ऑलवेज वन ही होती क्या मतलब?
नहीं, it is my request to all of you, kindly note that if it is given in a problem statement the value of it, then consider that value. If the value is not given in a problem statement, but so when it is not given in a problem statement, so it is considered as 1, and you write it at in a bracket, being is a black body. Okay.
ओके सर.
ओके सर। और सर सिग्मा की वैल्यू हमको दी रहेंगी या तो याद रखना पड़ेगा?
What? Yes.
सर सिग्मा की वैल्यू दी रहेंगी या तो फिर याद
It is
करके
provided in a problem statement.
ओके सर।
It is provided in a problem statement. The value of sigma is given, or otherwise you can remember it 5.61 10 to minus 8. But generally it is given. Generally, mostly 99.99% it is given in a problem statement. Okay.
ओके सर। ओके सर।
Anything else?
हाँ सर.
ठीक है. So you drop your attendance in a message box and left the meeting. We will meet in next lecture with new topic. Okay.
सर थैंक यू सर।
ओके सर, थैंक यू।